Hello everyone, now it's time for slide dimmer. So it basically does what's called, you slide it and it dims, it changes the voltage. Before explaining how it works, let's observe together the usage of the slide dimmer. So as you can see, there's a button on top of it, and you can slide it. And like once you open the USB power, there is 5 volts, and you can see 5 of the LEDs are here. So what you can do, you can use slide dimmer, and as you increase the voltage, you can see the number of LEDs increases in the bar graph. And like what it does basically, it you can control the speed of the fan, the number of LEDs on the bar graph, the position of the servo motor with slide dimmer. Just connect any output module to slide dimmer to observe how it reacts in the change of the signal. So as I mentioned, the slide dimmer changed the signal from 0 to 5, and you can control basically anything. And let's try it with the fan module, and you will see the speed will change. So right now there's no movement in the fan module, as you can see, and if I increase the voltage value, you can see after like 2 volts it starts rotating, because the minimum volts that fan can rotate is around 2.5 volts, and as I increase it, the speed of the fan and the amount of cold breeze increases as well. Let's check the slide dimmer with bar graphs again, and also along with the counter. So as you can see, it reads now 0, and there is no LEDs turned on. And I will increase the voltage value, and I will see increase in the bar graph. And each like line here represents a change of 1 volt in the signal, and this is actually how a slide dimmer works. It changes the voltage of electrical signal between 0 and 5 volts. And for the curious one, you can explain slide dimmer and mention about potentiometer. So the slide dimmer has a potentiometer in it, which allows its electrical resistance to increase and decrease. And what's happening in here is actually you are increasing the resistance and decreasing the resistance. So electrical flow change, the voltage value change according to the resistance in here. So the main working principle of slide dimmer is like this. And in the real life, you can observe the use of slide dimmers in different things. So for example, in our homes, if you want to increase the light to a specific lightness level, we can use light dimmers. So there might be light dimmers in your home or your student's home. Or if you want to increase the volume of the music, you can again use dimmers, use potentiometers in order to increase or decrease the sound. And also inside of the cars right now we have electrical inputs that reads the amount of gas that you want to give to car, and then it sends the signal to the brain of the computer in order to arrange the speed of the car. So slide dimmers are everywhere, and it is nice to explore with doing kits. See you in the next bit.